Hello everyone, today we will be doing NCERT book questions of exercise 8.4. Let's continue. Question number 5, sixth part. Under root 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A. So what you will be doing, just multiply by the conjugate of the denominator, that is 1 plus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A. So you can write it like this, 1 plus sin A whole square upon 1 minus sin square A. As you know, A square minus B square is A plus B, A minus B. Now here you can write it as 1 plus sin A whole square upon cos square A. As you know the identity, sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So you can write it as, you can write here, you can write now 1 plus sin A upon cos A, or you can write like this, 1 upon cos A plus sin A upon cos A. And as you know, 1 upon cos A is your sec A plus sin A upon cos A is tan A. So this is your right hand side. So in this way you will solve it. Now the seventh part is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. Now here what you can do, you can take sin theta to be common in the numerator, so it will be 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and you can take cos theta downwards in the denominator, so it will be 2 cos square theta minus 1. Sin theta upon cos theta is your tan theta, and here you are having 1 minus 2 sin square theta, you can write as 1 minus cos square theta. Yes, you know the identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Okay. Now divided by, it is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So it is tan theta 1 minus 2 plus 2 cos square theta upon 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now you can write it like this, tan theta 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus 2 cos square theta upon 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now this factor minus 1 plus 2 cos square theta and 2 cos square theta minus 1, these are same, so you can cancel it and it will be tan theta. So this is your right hand side. So in this way you will solve it. Now the eighth part is sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. Now you know the formula, A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB. So you can write sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2 sin A cosec A. Okay. And the second term plus cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A sec A. Now from the first identity, you know sine square a plus cos square a is 1. Then you know the two identities we will be using, that is 1 plus tan square a is sec square a and 1 plus cot square a is cosec square a. Now use these identities. So write 1 plus cot square a instead of cosec square a plus 2 sin a into cosec a is your 1 upon sin a plus instead of this cot square sec square a you can write 1 plus tan square a plus 2 cos a and sec a you can write as 1 upon cos a. So it will be 1 plus 1 is 2 over here, 2 plus cot square a plus cancel this sin a, so it will be 2 plus 1 plus tan square a plus cancel this cos a, so it will be 2. So it is 2 plus 2 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus tan square a plus cot square. So this is your right hand side. So in this way you can solve. Now the ninth part is cosec a minus sin a and sec a minus cos a. Okay. Now you can know, cosec a is your 1 upon sin a. You can write as 1 upon sin a minus sin a and sec a is 1 upon cos a minus cos a. So you can write as, take the LCM, it will be sin a 1 minus sin square a and it will be 1 minus cos square a upon cos a. We have taken the LCM to be cos a. Okay. Now here 1 multiplied by 1 minus cos square a and minus sin square a 1 minus cos square a. So here it is sin a cos a, or you can write it as 1 minus cos square a minus sin square a plus sin square a cos square a, okay, divided by sin a cos a. Now you know 1 minus, here take minus common, cos square a plus sin square a. So sin square a plus cos square a is 1. So you can write it over 1, okay, by the first identity, plus sin square a cos square a. Now here it is plus 1 and divided by sin a cos a. Okay, you can cancel this. It will be sin square a cos square a divided by sin a cos a. So cancel one term over here. So it will be sin a cos a. Now in the left hand side you have, right hand side you are having, this is your left hand side, okay. In right hand side you are having 1 upon tan a plus cot a, or you can write it as sin a upon cos a plus cos a upon sin a. Yes, 1 upon So it will be cos A sin A. Take the LCM. It will be sin square A plus cos square A. And by the first identity, sin square A and upon 1 plus cos square A is 1. So it will be 1 divided by cos A sin A. Or you can write 1 divided by this is, so it is cos A sin A. 1 multiplied by this, it will be cos A sin A. So it is the same as right hand side. So left hand side equals right hand side. So in this way you can solve it. Now the 10th part is 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A. Now here you know 1 plus tan square A is your sec square A and 1 plus cot square A is your cosec square A. That is by identities 2 and 3. Okay. Now here you can write sec square A as 1 upon cos square A divided by, and cosec square A equals 1 upon sin square A. Or you can write it as 1 upon cos square A divided by 1 upon sin square A, that means sin square A. So it is sin square A upon cos square A is your tan square A. So in this way the first part, this one we have proved. Now we will take the second part, that is 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus cot A whole square. Okay, now here take 1 minus sin A upon cos A. You can write tan A as sin A upon cos A upon 1 minus cos A upon sin A. Yes, so in this form you can write this is whole square. Okay, now take the LCM. It will be cos A and cos A minus sin A, and downwards also take the LCM, so it will be sin A minus cos A, and this is your whole square. Or you can write like this, right over here, cos A minus sin A upon cos A divided by this, so it will be sin A upon sin A minus cos A. Or you can do, take minus sign common over here. Okay, so it will be sin A minus cos A. Yes, sin A upon cos A, it is tan A. Yes, and whole square is there. Okay, so downwards is also sin A minus cos A. So you can cancel this and it is whole square minus tan A whole square will be your tan square A. So this is your right hand side. So in this way you can solve it. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe to my channel Enjoy Learning with Bhavna and press the bell icon for the daily updates.